Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we start, if you enjoy crafts like how I do, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel and do tap on bell icon so that you get notification whenever a new video is posted here. So let's begin. I'm guest designing for my favorite craft brand Little Birdie Crafts. Today we will be making a shadow box card. These are the supplies which I am using today. I will show everything what I am using today but a little later in the video. Let me give you a glimpse of what we are making today. So this is the front of the card and this is a 6x6 shadow box card. Here is the inside of the card. I have used the Boho Dream paper pack along with stencil, handmade flowers and few other supplies from Little Birdie Crafts. Let me show you what I will be using today for the project. I am using Home Decor Collection chalk paints, lemon chiffon and snow color from Little Birdie. Next is Boho Dreams collection pack, which is a 6x6 paper pack. I'm also using the Boho Dreams Elements pack. This contains 60 pieces right from the florals to butterflies to sentiments. And the best part is everything has little glitter on it. That makes every piece so beautiful. I will also be using Passion Pink Sparkle Paste along with Heavy Gel. These handmade flowers from Little Birdie Crafts. And these are the stencils. I have planned to use the biggest one, which is a floral design. I'll begin with the 12x12 cardstock. This is a teal color one. So here we are on the scoreboard. Let's start scoring the card base or the cardstock. We start with half inch, then we mark on after that 1 inch, then another half inch and then another 1 inch. So it goes like half, then 1, then half and then 1. So this process needs to be done on all 4 sides. This marking needs to be done. Now you can see here I have done this marking off screen and you can see that it is done on all 4 sides in similar pattern. Now in the center I have 6x6 slot. Now these are the corners which needs to be cut. Now the size of this is almost your 3x3 size. These corner needs to be cut from all 4 sides. Now right now we are making a shadow box card. So this is the base for our shadow box. Here you can see I have cut that 3x3 from all 4 corners. Now let's start making few more cuts to our shadow box so that we can club it together. Mark your shadow box how I have marked. Now this marking needs to be done only on 2 sides. You do not need, now these needs to be diagonally opposite sides. Leave the other 2 sides, you need not to cut that. Cut how I am showing right now. So you can simply cut a little inside from that and then this much portion also needs to be cut. This cut, to remember, I personally call it a king's head or a king's crown. Now you can see the king's crown is on 2 sides and the other 2 sides are still the same. Start making folds where we have done the creases. And once you have made the folds, you can see how it foils back and makes the box. So from all the sides I have done that, and here how once we attaches everything we get the outline, or let's say the lining of the box. But right now we will not glue it up because we need to first put the center, that's 6x6. So let's begin with the paper pack now. I have choosing which one I can use today. We need to work on what we need inside that 6x6 and then we'll attach this paper pack on that shadow box. So do not glue the shadow box beforehand. I'm using the floral design stencil on my paper pack. This one is a very big stencil. It's like 18.5 into 24.5 centimeter. I'm using sparkle paste. This one is passion pink. So I'll just go roughly over it and get the pattern. This pattern looks really pretty on the stencil. Now let's see how well it comes on the paper also. Let's remove and see. So now you can see that this is how the stencil work is looking along with the paste. It's looking really pretty. Now it's time to do the chalk paint use. I'm not going to color anywhere, just few splatters I want on my base cardstock. I'm using a Montmartre brush for this. I'll take the snow paint and do some splatters. I think there's a little sunny outside and you really cannot see because of the light those splatters. Maybe in the pictures I'll try showing those splatters well. And the colors are very light also. I did not want to overdo with the colors, and that's why I chose lighter tone colors. I can try to show you, but I'm not sure whether you can see those splatters well or not. So here is my 6x6 paper pack. Now that is dried, we need to attach it to the shadow box now. So I'm just adhering it using a double-sided tape. I've put it only on the two sides. No need to go and glue it up on all sides, because anyways from all the four sides the flaps will do their job and everything will be neatly, tightly holded in place. So here we go. Now it's time to glue these sides. So you need to glue up only on the end part of these flap. You can use any glue, you can even use double-sided tapes, whatever is comfortable to you. Just make sure that one flap has to go inside another. So that is the only tricky part, but I'm sure once you do one portion, you can easily understand how it goes inside, and it's easy enough. So you can see that here how it goes inside and gives it a frame look. Now we are trying to achieve that frame look on the box. Now you can see the box is done. The frame is ready on the box. And it's time to adorn the inside a little. I have these handmade flowers from Little Birdie Crafts. I'm using my hot glue gun for that. And let's just start putting the flowers. I thought I can put a little flowers on the bottom portion near the unicorn. But while you are trying it, you can definitely put it as wherever you want. The flowers are really pretty and they have little glitter on them too. I'm trying to arrange some big, some small, so that they look like a cluster, not too heavy, but a small cluster of flowers. Now here we have the inside. I'll complete the inside portion of it using a sentiment. Now this sentiment you can just glue it up with glue gun also. I'm using a double-sided tape so that it pops up a little bit more. You can use this much portion as it is looking right now. I went a little more ahead and tried to make it a shadow box card. So I'm using the same pattern sheet, the unicorn one, and this is how I will be adhering that 1/2 inch on one side of the frame to, let's call it a window kind of thing. And I'm putting a double-sided tape on one side of it. So here is my front cover. I have put the element packs and along with the flowers on it. Now this is the inside. I can see the white side because it's a one-sided pattern paper. So I'll put another pattern paper to cover that white portion. I've done it off screen and now I can show you how I have completed my shadow box card. I have used the pattern paper inside also along with the elements, and this is the inside which I showed you before as well. Now isn't this box card looking very sweet, very nice? I loved making it. Hope you enjoyed it too. And thanks so much for watching it. You can leave all your queries below. I will answer all of them. Thanks again for watching.